is a hot seat. We've seen seeing a three-cornered battle, all strong contestants. We have the Chief Minister Atishi from the Aam Aadmi Party. From the Congress, there is Alka Lamba, who's
Kritika,
also
stay
the
with
Mahila
me.
Morcha's
We'll
chief.
talk about how that battle is. Let me quickly cut across to Nikhil. I'm given to understand he also has a voter with him. I'm going to come back to you. Nikhil, given the aspect that you're also keeping us ahead, we also know that you have somebody who's just casted their vote or about to. Talk to them and ask them what are the primary concerns that today Delhi will be deciding on the basis of.
Well, clearly we are joined by one of the voter, and you can see that the plant sapling is being given out to all those people who are coming up early to cast their vote. मैम आपको plant sapling भी मिला है. आपका नाम क्या हो, क्या एज है आपकी?
मेरी 59 एज है और विनीता तिवारी नाम है.
अच्छा, इस बार के इलेक्शन थोड़े से अलग हैं. किन इश्यूज को, क्योंकि आप विमेन भी है, महिला है, महिलाओं के लिए क्या इश्यूज हैं जो आपको लगता है किन को ध्यान में रख करके महिलाएं बाहर निकलेंगी और वोट कास्ट करेंगी अपना?
देखिए, मेरी अपनी थिंकिंग अगर आप कहें तो सनातन काल से महिला को वो सम्मान नहीं मिला है और आज भी वही स्थिति है. पर अब थोड़ा सा समय परिवर्तित हो रहा है, जो कि कलयुग की तरफ जा रहे हैं, तो औरत को सम्मान थोड़ा थोड़ा मिलना शुरू हुआ है. ये एक नई चेंज है. पर जहाँ पुरुष की अपनी महत्वता है वहाँ उसकी है महत्वता.
बट अगर मुद्दों की बात करें, इश्यूज की बात करें, तो फ्री भी बहुत ज़्यादा डोमिनेटिंग रहा. फ्रीबीज की, कल्चर की, स्कीम्स की बहुत ज़्यादा बात हुई. कोई दूसरी पार्टी दूसरी चीज़ों को लेकर के बात. तो इश्यूज के तौर पे क्या कुछ निकल के आया आपके समझ के हिसाब से? क्या आपने समझा कि क्या क्या इश्यूज दिल्ली के हो सकते हैं जिस पे दिल्ली वोट करेगी आज?
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो आपको अपना खुद की वैल्यू करनी आनी चाहिए, जो कि आज के समय में आदमी अपनी खुद की वैल्यू नहीं कर रहा है, इसलिए वो इधर उधर भटक रहा है. और इसीलिए वो बाहर के वातावरण से इतना इन्फ्लुएंस हो रहा है कि वो अपनी मान्यताओं को भूल रहा है.
Okay, so this is the word which is coming in from the voter. मैम बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए. So clearly the plant sapling is also being given out to them, and we are going to show you the visuals as well from this particular place. This particular polling center falls in the New Delhi constituency. Although this usually sees a low voter turnout, and that was something which was seen and observed during the time of the Lok Sabha elections as well. But in a short while from now, Nivedna Basuri Swaraj, who is a member of parliament from the New Delhi constituency, she is going to arrive here to cast her vote. As per the details, she is expected to arrive here at about 8:15 a.m. We are expecting to be joined by some other voters as well. Ma'am, अगर आप एक बार बात कर पाएं तो. Okay, so clearly the voters are leaving and all the voters are being given out a plant sapling. And in a short while from now, as we have already informed, that Basuri Swaraj is expected. Some of the voters are coming in here. Some of the vehicles of the officials, they are also arriving here to keep a check on the overall situation. आप सब वोट कास्ट करने आए हैं अपना? Okay, so people are gradually arriving here, and in a short while from now they are going to cast their vote. But there are a couple of the issues which are dominating here, and we will speak to the voters directly as to what are the dominating features on which they are going to cast their vote today here in the capital city. Back to you.
Absolutely. In fact, I'll keep coming back to you, Nikhil, so stay with us, given the aspect of that. But as we continue to report more on this, I'm given to understand that my colleague Karishma is also getting us a reaction. Let's quickly listen in.
People coming out and bringing in a BJP government with a very convincing majority.
But so do you think the issues that we talk about, whether it's AQI, whether it's Yamuna, which became the talking points this time around?
They can be solved. I'll tell you something. I always cite the example of Kanpur. The water there, because of the tanneries, was more polluted than anything, madam, that you can imagine. Anything, you can't even think about it. And today we put the gauze there, the effluents don't come there. So where there is a will, it can be done. Sabarmati riverfront, you saw, beautiful riverfront. Why can't we have it in Jamuna ji?
So would you appeal to the people of Delhi to come out and
Yes,
vote?
I appeal to the people to come out in large numbers, come out themselves, their families, all their neighbors, relatives, wherever they live, and come out and vote. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Puri, given the fact that, of course, everybody in that last bid is urging voters to come out, because ultimately today, it is about the citizen. The citizen gets to decide from ground zero what has happened, what has not happened, which party, which leader, in fact, they would want at the helm of affairs. Having said that, taking that across to Kritika Tiwari, who continues to stay with me. Nikhil, I'm going to come back to you as well, so continue to stay with me on the show. Kritika, one aspect is, of course, in a last bid for voters to come out today and cast their votes. But why this is crucial is because all in the run-up to the elections as well, including you and Nikhil, have, reported from ground zero about various aspects. And that has been the crux of the matter as far as why Delhi should decide that the way they do. Innumerable instances of how citizens have been kept, not as the priority, which is why we saw many of those visuals, whether we're talking about the air pollution, we're talking about the heaping amount of garbage, in a section like Ghazipur, or we're talking about the aspect of it's a double whammy situation. There was no accountability. So perhaps this is the only occasion where the citizen can rise to the occasion.
Well, exactly, Nivedna. In fact, during the course of our coverage during the elections as well, and much before that as well, residents have been talking to us about perennial issues that they say they've been facing for years now. Air pollution, the pollution with the Yamuna remains a top focus. In addition to this, sanitation is also something that has troubled residents in multiple constituencies. It appeared as a common thread that was being spoken about by the residents, by voters in Delhi, in fact. And these are going to be issues that will shape how they vote. There is also a sense of fighting inflation as well in a lot of voters. So they're also making sure that wherever their vote goes, it also has a sort of a relief factor that can come in through different policies that all three parties now that are promising them. And they've also been specifically talking about the issues with how there is an expectation of how a capital city will be. And with that, there are issues that have been failing. In the during the monsoon season, we've also extensively reported about how water logging is still something that Delhi is not being able to get under control. How a lot of basements, in fact, are also filled with water in just half an hour of rain. So this is something that has been plaguing the residents, in fact, here as well. On your screens, again, just showing you visuals of few more voters stepping into the polling station here. And the expectation is that all of these wants, the issues of apathy as well, will be voted on by today. Remember, these 11 hours are all that the residents have that will also be deciding the fate of the political contenders here. In Kalkaji specifically, we had seen how both Ramesh Biduri from the BJP as well as Alka Lamba from Congress had targeted Atishi over sanitation was one big issue, especially in the areas of Govindpuri as well, where it continues to remain a big concern. The lanes are narrow. There is issue with a lot of electrical wires that jangle up and are not removed, and that causes problems. Tenants were speaking to us about how despite there being a 200-unit cap on the free electricity, they end up paying a lot of bills. In fact, there is another voter with us. Ma'am, आपने अभी अपना वोट कास्ट किया है.
ठीक है.
आपके क्या issues रहे हैं?
इश्यूज तो है, साफ सफाई हो और मेंटेनेंस के रोड्स आर इन वेरी बैड शेप.
Right.
देयर इज लॉट ऑफ गार्बेज लाइक ऑल ओवर द रोड्स एंड साइड्स.
So sanitation is definitely something that has not been worked on.
Yes, sanitation is a main issue.
Thank you so much for speaking to us.
Yeah, thanks.
So this is another voter that we were speaking to, and you saw how she was also reiterating that sanitation, cleaning up of roads, and these are also issues that fall under the MCD. So few voters also talked to us about these intersections as well. And at the end of the day, what remains a crucial problem is just dealing with these issues. Some more young voters, another family entering into the polling booth who are waving to us on the screens of Mirror now, right now. And once they'll be out, we'll be speaking to them as well. You'll be able to see how
Since
the
you've
security
spoken about how different age groups have also gathered to
checking.
cast their vote, I'll give you the opportunity to get hold of them. I'm going to come back to you.